Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can enable accessibility menu in your Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings. Click on settings and here you have to first go to system, or you can go to accessibility. Swipe down and go to accessibility menu, and here you have to enable this shortcut. When you just click on this, you can see there is a accessibility shortcut is open now. You can do whatever you want. This is a shortcut menu. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.